Making delicious gyros is a breeze with Auspit Gyros Discs. Today, we are using chicken thighs, generously seasoned with Flaming Coal's Greek gyros seasoning. Unlike using prongs, gyros discs allow you to set the meat onto the skewer quickly and easily. Simply slide on the skewer until you reach the first disc. Then layer the meat in an even fashion. Slide on the final disc and apply enough pressure to set the gyros. Apply another layer of seasoning, then position the gyros over the coals. The 2mm thick stainless steel discs will not bend under pressure or warp when exposed to extreme heat. Baste regularly with a mixture of olive oil, lemon juice and garlic. Once crispy, cut the outside layer and continue to cook, trimming each layer as it crisps. For more great recipe ideas or to see the range of Auspit accessories, please visit our website.